I found this the other day while magnet fishing. Fortunately, it's all plastic. There is no parts that the metal would connect or the magnet would connect to. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna tear this thing apart, wash it out, clean it up. It's gonna end up being a cool display in my house. So I'm gonna make a video of me cleaning this thing up to do something other than just magnet fishing and walking around the cemetery with dead people, because I need some other content, need something different. So let's open it up, see what we got. So watching the video yesterday, guys, like, all right, take this thingy off. Yeah. The one thing I love about YouTube videos. Now, in order to do this, it is just 2 easy steps and blah, blah, blah. And there you go. And now suddenly your thing is all open and unlocked. So, get a screwdriver in there. That thing don't work. Where's my screwdriver? Go! Screwdriver now! Oh, that is just gummed up mucky mud. Oh! Can't tell if I'm breaking it or opening it. So, okay, that is completely covered in mud. Go here, here, just stop there so you can pull this apart. Got the people on YouTube make it look so stinking easy. I mean, I hope they'd make it look easy. Guy look like you own a fucking camera shop. Ooh! Okay. There we go, there we go, there we go. Here we go, here we go. Okay, pull it here, pull it here, pull this. Okay, now when you open this thing, it will explode on you, so be careful. Or whatever that guy said. So apparently when the guy was doing this in the video that I watched, it wasn't completely caked in mud. Oh. Well, I guess if we got some of this, it'll be all right. So, all parts of this camera aside. Hope I don't screw up too much of it. All right, let's get these guts out. Oh, there it is! There it is, I got it. So, I got mud, mud, more mud, mud. There's the worms. There's my worm. His name shall be Timmy. We're gonna go put Timmy in the dirt by the garden. Okay, we're back. We got this part over here. It was right like that. We got the front. We'll probably take this all inside right there and wash it up. I'll probably have to figure out something, because, well, to me that looks like a big mess and it's not going to be able to be salvageable. So I'm going to cut some wires, take some stuff in and clean it up.
And that, boys and girls, is why you cut away from yourself and not towards your finger. We are now bleeding in dirt.
So there's that. I'll take this part inside and go clean it up. Here it is. Final product. My Polaroid camera that I found in the river that I took apart, I cleaned up, and now I've got this cool looking camera. Yes, a few parts are still missing. Little lens area, flashy thing, I don't know what it is. It was stuck in, but as it's finished, hope you guys enjoy my video. Hope to be able to do some more restoration of stuff I find and videos of things that I make, and this winter when I'm not able to go fishing or do any of that stuff. Leave a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Live life a little bit.